Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. In this one I will be making ribs but in the air fryer. I know, bear with me. So what you want to do first is preheat your air fryer. So I have my air fryer ready. It's 380 for 25 minutes. So now I'm going to press start. I have my preheating on and my turn on. So we're going to press start and let that preheat. So while that's preheating, we're going to go season our meat with our dry rub. So let me go get that. So I have garlic, paprika, and black pepper. Usually I'll add mustard to have it like combined it. But my daughter, I just found out, don't like mustard. So we can't do that. So I'll just add my dry rub and then I'll pop it in the air fryer when it's done. Okay, so I did my dry rub. When it's done preheating, I will add it in. I think it's done preheating actually. Hold on. When you put it in, you want to put it in the meat side facing down, bone up. That's very important.
It's so dark in there.
So meat down, bone up. Oh, and then also remember to take out the membrane off the back. See, I have no membranes on them at all. You don't want to eat that. That makes it slimy and like chewy.
What's a membrane?
I just said what it was. It makes it slimy and chewy.
I like chewy.
No, you don't. Because then you don't eat the meat and you be there. Okay, and if your ribs don't all fit, you can cut them like I did. And then they'll fit. And if you do need to do 2 batches, then that's fine. Because I think I might need to do 2 batches if my last rib don't fit. Let's see. Move her down. Put her here. Move you over. Wait, let's move you over. There we go.
Looks like blood on the screen.
Put this one this way.
You heard?
Yeah. And let's rearrange these. And then I think you.
I cannot fit.
If I rearrange them, we're gonna play Tetris with the meats. So
Gross.
Boom. I did it. They all fit.
I still have a spot left.
It's a tiny little spot. Put them in the air fryer. And 380 for 25 minutes. My air fryer lets me know when to turn it. Can you show that, please, Coda?
Oh.
It lets me know right there when I need to turn it, so it'll start beeping when I need to turn it. And there's my ribs.
So red.
Okay, they're done. So now what you can do now is you can take them out, put whatever barbecue sauce you want on it, and then put them back 400 for additional, I want to say 5 minutes, I believe. But my kids like to dip theirs in sauce, so I'm going to check the meat, and then if it needs to be cooked more, I will put it back in for additional 5 minutes. I'll let you know. Okay, so I put it in. See how it's still a little pink there? My kids won't eat that, so I'm gonna put it in for an additional 10 minutes. Oops, that's 11. 10 on 400. Oh, I pressed off. Okay, let's do it again. So, air fry, preheat off, turn reminder off. 10 minutes, 400. Start. Okay. All done. Now I'm gonna transfer it to a plate, waiting for my rice to finish, and then we're gonna eat.